So students, we have done cell membrane, cell wall, plasma membrane, fluid mosaic model and cell theory. Now come to the cytoplasmic structures or cytoplasmic organelles. Cytoplasmic structures or organelles are those structures which are present in cytoplasm. So first we take endoplasmic reticulum. In short, we have to write ER, endoplasmic reticulum. In endoplasmic reticulum, endo means inside, whereas plasmic means cytoplasm and reticulum means network. So, it is a network membranous structure which is present in the cytoplasm, and it is observed by the Garnier, whereas this ultrastructure is observed by Porter, Claude and Fullan. The term endoplasmic reticulum is given by Porter. So, endoplasmic reticulum is present in all eukaryotic cell except germinal cell and mature mammalian RBC. On the other hand, their number would depend upon the metabolic activity. Endoplasmic reticular number would depend upon the metabolic activity that is performed by the cell. If a cell performing more activity, then more protein, more lipid is synthesized. More protein and more lipid is synthesized. When more protein and more lipid is synthesized, then the number of endoplasmic reticulum is more. And if less synthesized, the number of endoplasmic reticulum is less. Whereas in prokaryotic cell, this endoplasmic reticulum is absent. Fine. So come to ER have three different structures. Which is cisternae, vesicle and tubules. So come to the first point, that is cisternae. Cisternae it is a narrow tubular structures. So they are formed by a bulge which is formed in the nuclear membrane. Like this is a wall of nucleus. This is a wall of nucleus. From this, A bulges arise like that. Bulges arise. This is a bulge. So there are two type of bulge. That is evagination first, evagination, and second, invagination. Evagination is the outer fold. It is the outer fold. Whereas invagination is the inner fold. And this bulge arises as next tube, and then next tube, and then next tube, like that. From this, a ribosomes is attached, which is a protein factory. These ribosomes are attached. This is a ribosomes. Ribosomes is attached, which is a protein factory. प्रोटीन बनाने में हेल्प करता है. और वो प्रोटीन कौन सी होती है? उस प्रोटीन का नाम होता है राइबोफोरेन. राइबोफोरेन. So this is vesicles. Sorry, this is cisternae, which I am explaining this. This is a cisternae. This tube-like structure is called cisternae. Come to the next, which is vesicles. Vesicle. Vesicle is a spherical structure in which ribosomes is attached. It is a spherical structure in which ribosomes is attached. And this is closer to the cisternae. Closer to cisternae. Its diameter is 50 to 500 micrometer. So this is vesicle, which is closer to the cisternae. Ribosomes is attached and the diameter is 50 to 500 micrometer. Third one is tubule. Tubule. Tubules is formed from RER. It means rough endoplasmic reticulum. They do not have ribosomes on it, and they are branched. So if they have no ribosome in our body, it's look like this. So this is a tubule which do not have ribosomes on it, and it is formed from the rough endoplasmic reticulum. This is closer to the plasma membrane. Closer to plasma membrane, and its diameter is 50 to 100 micrometer, and Endoplasmic reticulum or ER in muscle cell is known as sarcoplasmic reticulum. Sarcoplasmic reticulum. So there are two types of endoplasmic reticulum, RER and SER. RER is rough endoplasmic reticulum and SER is a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is made up of cisternae, whereas smooth endoplasmic reticulum is made up of tubules. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is closer to nuclear membrane, whereas smooth endoplasmic reticulum is closer to plasma membrane. In rough endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes are present. Whereas in smooth endoplasmic reticulum, no ribosomes on the surface. In rough endoplasmic reticulum, it helps in protein synthesis. And in smooth endoplasmic reticulum, lipids are synthesized. Lipids are synthesized. So, this is a small intro of endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum means inside cytoplasmic network. Ultrastructure is given by Potter, Claude and Flynn. It is given by, this endoplasmic reticulum is given by Potter. Metabolic activity is performed by the cells. If a cell is performing more activity, if more protein to be synthesized, more lipid to be synthesized, which is the function of endoplasmic reticulum, then their number is more. And if they not needed that much, then the number is less. And this endoplasmic reticulum is absent in the prokaryotic cells. Endoplasmic reticulum have three different structures, which is called the elements of ER. This is the elements of ER, that is cisternae, vesicles and tubules. Cisternae is a narrow tubular structure which is studded with ribosomes and attached to the nuclear membrane. They are formed by the bulge which is formed in the nuclear membrane, like this. This bulge is of two types, evagination and invagination. Evagination is the outer fold and invagination is the inner fold. Ribosomes are attached by a protein, and this protein is known as ribofourin. This cisternae is closer to the nucleus. You have seen that the bulges arise from the nuclear membrane. That means the cisternae, there this folding is called cisternae, and this cisternae is closer to the nucleus. So come to the vesicles. Vesicles is a spherical structure where diameter is 50 to 500 micrometer. In this body, the ribosomes are attached, which is closer to the cisternae. Next, vesicles. Third, tubule. Tubule are formed from the rough endoplasmic reticulum. They do not have ribosomes on it, and they are branched without ribosomes on it. And this is closer to the plasma membrane, and this diameter is 50 to 100 micrometer. Endoplasmic reticulum in muscles is known as sarcoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is of two types, rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is made up of cisternae, whereas smooth endoplasmic reticulum is made up of tubules. It is closer, rough endoplasmic reticulum is closer to the nuclear membrane, whereas smooth endoplasmic reticulum is closer to the plasma membrane. Third one, endoplasmic reticulum, rough endoplasmic reticulum have ribosomes on it, whereas smooth endoplasmic reticulum is not having any ribosome on the surface. Endoplasmic reticulum helps in the protein synthesis and its transport. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum helps for lipid synthesis. Also, smooth endoplasmic reticulums form desmotubules, which is run through plasmodesmata. Plasmodesmata are those cytoplasmic connections. Plasmodesmata are the cytoplasmic connections. It is a cytoplasmic connections between the two adjacent cells through which transport of substances takes place. Fine. So this is all about the endoplasmic reticulum. In our next video, I am explaining the Golgi apparatus.